How do I build a software application? What I have is a budget, a fixed deadline, and some requirements, and of course, a team of people. But where do I start? And in the middle of the project, how do I know if I am on track? And also in between, if customer asks for some requirement changes, will I be able to accommodate it? And most importantly, will I be able to deliver a quality product on time? To achieve your outcomes, you need to follow a well-defined process. Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC, is a process followed by project teams for building a software application. There are different SDLCs available, but we are going to discuss two important ones: Waterfall Lifecycle and Agile Lifecycle. While Waterfall Lifecycle is still in use in certain industry segments, Agile is the most popular one due to its flexibility and iterative approach. When you build a software application, your team undergoes different phases like planning, requirements analysis, design, implementation or coding, testing, deployment or release, and finally maintenance. Let's dig into each one of these. In planning phase, we define project goals, requirements, and resources. It involves in identifying the project scope, setting the objectives, and planning the timelines and budget. In the case of requirements analysis phase, we collect and analyze the requirements from the stakeholders. The goal is to understand the real needs of the end users and define the software's functionality, features, and specifications. In the design phase, we plan the software architecture and system design. It includes designing the software structure, components, user interface, and database based on the requirements we collected in the analysis phase. In the implementation or coding phase, developers write code as per the design specification with a focus on application's functionality, performance, and maintenance. Then comes the testing phase where the software is tested to identify the defects and fix them. Once the software is thoroughly tested, it will be deployed or released to the users. The deployment may involve installation and configuration. Once the product is deployed, the end users will start using it. Though we have tested the product well, the end users may still catch some defects. So as a team, we will have to fix them. And when they start using the product, they might ask for some changes. So as per their feedback, we'll have to incorporate those changes in the software application. And also, they might ask you for some more requirements changes during the maintenance stage. And as a team, we will have to work on the software product and we'll have to make the changes accordingly. Now let's do a quick recap of the SDLC phases. In planning, we do define the scope, timeline, and budget. Whereas in analysis, we collect the requirements and define them well. In design phase, we design a system with a structure, components, user interface, database, etc. And then we move to coding phase where the product is implemented. Once the coding is complete, testing starts and we fix the defects. Then the product is deployed or released to customer. And in maintenance phase, we make changes in the product as per the user feedback.